my beautiful angels. So I know you ladies remember the original unboxing that I did on this wig. I know I just put it on my head and I look kind of crazy right now, but what I'm gonna do is I promised some of my subscribers that I was gonna alter this wig and I wanted to film it. So this wig is by Outre and it's their premium Duby wig, 100% human hair, and it's called Pixie Mohawk, and this is the actual stock card. And I hope my lighting is good because it's late at night. So yeah, that's the card up close, that's the hair. And what I'm about to do is transform this wig. I kind of started cutting here on the sides already to cut it the way I want it. So what I did, I kind of just move the part of it that I want to work on out of the way. So I'm pretty much going to just transform this wig right now. So please bear with me. You know, if I'm not looking at you, I'm trying to see what I'm doing. Maybe I should just cut it and then show you the after. I'm getting hair everywhere. But yeah, so I'm going to work on this. I'm going to do the other side the way I did this part. And let me just show you the back part of it. So I'm not going to really do much to the back, but I'm pretty much going to give this wig the mohawk look. All right. So ladies, keep watching. Okay. Don't you get up unless you're getting a glass of wine or something. I'll be back. All right, my snappers. I'm about to transform this wig to the way I want it. So this is what it's supposed to look like. This is it. Yeah, you can't go wrong with this, baby. Let's just say I'm bored. Much better. Keep watching. Okay, that's one side. This is the other side. So now it's time for the mohawk. Yeah, so this is what I came up with. So I gotta bump the top so that it looks more like a mohawk. All right, my queen, so I finished both sides and I actually did the top, so I cut a lot of that hair, that bulk that was there. So I'm gonna just kind of bump the hair right now. I'm actually heating up my my hot curler, and I left the back like I said. I didn't want to alter that part. It's really because I cannot see behind me. But anyways, yeah, so let me go ahead and do the bump, and then we'll see what that looks like. Don't you go anywhere, I'm not finished yet. All right, ladies, so this is it. So yeah, I was trying to create that mohawk look and just do this my way. So I kind of spunk the top of it up, or spike it up I should say. But yeah, that's how this turned out. So let me know what you think. I hope I didn't mess this hair up. You can actually I can actually curl it just a little bit tighter, but I wanted to do it this way. So yeah, so this hair does not look anything like this anymore. All right, so that is my my alterations. I hope you enjoy this video. Sorry if it's really short, but yeah, I was just trying to match the hairstyle. Short hair, short video. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting on. Hit that subscribe button. And ladies, thank you so much for subscribing. If you are a new subby, welcome to the family. Thank you so much. And until my next show and tell, ladies, you have a wonderful evening. Keep watching. Stay fabulous. I love you, ladies. Mwah. One love. That's what happens when you're bored.